Hi guys, today we talk about how can you invite your friends to earn on your Binance app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go up, you click here in this sign here in app. Then you come to this list here, you click here on river here. So when you click on river, you just switch into open video here in this list. So then all you have to do before that, when it's going to open video, so it's going to take a time with you, so you just switch into open video here. Then you come to this list here, and here can you invite your friends to get this money here. So or you stitch here, you just click on invite friends, then you done so it's going to show for you, and here can you copy your light regular it to send it to your friends. In here like refer link to send it to your friends to so can you invite to get this money here on your Binance app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.